Alright, this is my last day in Santorini, my last stop in Greece, and I'm going to the volcano tour.
In this video, we're going on a boat tour to discover and visit the volcano in Santorini, Greece.
Tell you something, it doesn't smell good here. Guess why? Donkeys, shit. Oh my god, they're coming behind me. So I'm going 600 steps all the way to the old port to catch my boat. Okay, I don't want to step into shit. Oh my god, that was scary. They were like behind me, chasing me.
The tour departs daily from the old port of Fira. After only 15 minutes by boat, we'll be arriving at the volcano bay, where we'll be docking for about 1 hour and a half, during which I'll follow the path to the top where the active craters are.
Hi. Hi. Ooh.
Next, we'll be moving to the island of Palaia Kameni for the hot springs, the famous mud baths, which were formed as a result of a series of volcanic eruptions. Donkeys are available for rent to go up and down the 600 steps if you want to save time and energy.
Don't step into shit, be careful.
The temperature of the water in the small bay of Agios Nicolaos changes with the months, but it tends to be warmer than the typical sea currents in the area. The boat will be staying there for about 30 minutes to allow the visitors a healthy bath. After the bath, we will be returning to the old port of Fira.
Hi. Hi, cuties.
There are two ways to get to the old port of Fira. Or you take the 600 step stairs all the way down, or you take the cable car for €12.
This is the old port of Santorini. I'm waiting for the boat to go to the volcano area and explore it.
What is special about the Santorini volcano? The great island's transfixing beauty is a result of the area's violent volcanic history. Santorini is of course famous for its breathtaking crescent-shaped caldera, half of which is submerged, making it the only sunken caldera in the world. It was created by one of the largest known eruptions around 3,600 years ago.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Alright, we are on the boat. We are ready. We are very ready.
Santorini is one of the Cyclades Islands in the Aegean Sea. It was devastated by a volcanic eruption in the 16th century BC, forever shaping its rugged landscape. The whitewashed cubiform houses of its two principal towns, Fira and Ia, cling to cliffs above an underwater caldera. They overlook the sea, small islands to the west, and beaches made up of black, red, and white lava pebbles.
Entrance fee of €5 to hold your access to the volcanic island. After that,
We are going to the volcanic island, but the water is splashing inside the boat.
Of the volcanic island, and another 30 minutes to turn back down to the boat. So after that, buy boat wines such as bottle of water, drinks, coffees, or snacks.
Woohoo!
Please, if you need something at the back,
Sailing again. This is my last day in Santorini. We're going to the volcanic island. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Better to buy something now. Only plus. Also, just to know, on board there are 2 toilets at the back side.
Oh my god.
But please don't wear
This boat
any
is upside down. Water is splashing everywhere. Look at my sunglasses. Oh, I'm all wet. It's splashing everywhere, the water. And it's so windy.
Why Santorini is the best Greek island? The rare natural beauty of Santorini, the breathtaking caldera, the views, the extraordinary volcanic beaches, and the lunar landscapes are the wondrous results of this eruption that can only be admired in Santorini. Most tours involved hiking to the crater, which can take 30 to 90 minutes. The hike is not considered difficult, but it's not suitable for young children or those who have difficulty walking. We arrived to the volcano island. It was a very splashy experience. In this segment of the video, you will experience the walk all the way up to the volcano. Do not forget, after the walk up and showing you the views, you have to stick around to see the thermic water bath segment. I am sure you will enjoy it. As you notice from the sound of the video, it was very windy and coldish.
The youngest volcanic formation.
Here are some things to know about the walk to the summit of the volcano. The hike is done on your own, so you should take care of your own safety. Some say the walk is difficult in the heat and the wind. If you have mobility issues, you can walk to the inactive crater, which is not far from the bottom. What to bring with you? I recommend wearing comfortable shoes, a sun hat, and bringing a bottle of water. The volcano exploded around 1600 BC, ending the Minoan civilization and helping to form the island of Santorini. Points from this volcano island. It's so unbelievable. Look at the view. Look at the view, guys. It's so pretty. You wanna be here? My hair is upset. Santorini, my last day, bye Greece, adios. When you're hiking, take a break and drink B52. My boat waiting for me at 4:15. But interesting thing I noticed, look at the stairs. Look at the stairs. Now we are heading to the hot springs of Santorini. They are located in the water surrounding the islands and are considered therapeutic.
Alright, we're leaving the volcano island. Now going to the hot springs. Hopefully I can swim in the hot springs. So people are jumping in the water because they're going all the way there for the thermal water. It's very hot there, but here is very cold. I wanted to do it, but since I knew it's going to be cold in the beginning, I changed my mind. Everybody's getting ready to jump in the water. Let's see what this one... Oh! Let's see if it's worth it. All this. It's very cold and very salty. Okay, well that's why I didn't do it. It's cold, huh? Even there, the thermal water.
Here it is very cold.
Yeah.
Over there is like 20 degrees.
So it's not
So
that
it's
much.
not that much.
Yeah. I didn't do it. That's why. My luggage. Oh wow. So is it worth it?
Oh yeah. That
But they said it's not that warm.
it was so hot. It was scalding.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah, you go. No, I'm sort of.
You're the last one?
I think so. Yeah, nice. Not as hot as
Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Seriously?
Yeah, I'd say so. I like the water though.
I don't think so.
Huh?
It's warm here.
It's warmer.
Yes.
It's warmer than here, of course.
Yeah.
Say hi to the camera. So your stuff is here.
After this lovely Santorini boat tour discovering the volcano and the areas, we take in the cable cars from Fira, Old Port, back to Santorini.
Wow, yeah.
How pretty. C'est-à-dire qu'on aurait dû monter tout ça à pied. Oh, ah ouais. 30 seconds. Ah, non, je video.
Maybe we have mechanic problems. I'm filming you. Come too close.
On était les derniers montés.
Ah ouais?
Ouais.
Yep, I missed the 600 step.
Our workout for the next 18 heures, on va
One of my favorite parts about traveling is the ability to meet a diverse range of people. On tours, on buses, sitting at cafes or at bars. When you travel, it's easy to make new friends, of course, if you are social. And here enjoy the photo shoot on the boat with the friends I met on the tour, Caroline, Kelsey and James. If you made it that far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the icons showing on your screen.